Hello, I'm John Ashton. I'm here to demo run a program I did in CS2400. The program is on testing array stacks and array queues, and essentially I'm going to push two characters to the array stack, and then I'm going to peek the top one, pop the top one, and then clear it and test if it's empty afterwards. Then I do essentially the same thing with a queue, only it's going to pull out a different element because a queue they go in first out, and then a stack they go in first in last out. So let's demo run the program. And I have a problem with my pathing right now, but if I hit proceed, the program runs just fine. There's just some other things I need to work out with Visual Studio, but the program I have actually does work. So I push a big A, and I push a little a, and originally I was doing ints, but then I switched to chars. If I had done generics, this wouldn't have been a problem, but I didn't do any generics, so I can only use chars right now. And that kind of makes things a little worse. I wish I had done generics originally. My program would be better, and I could do more with it. But anyways, I push a big A, push a little a, and then I pull it out. It says a 20 is pulled out, but that's just in the text. I actually test to see if a little a is pulled out, and it is pulled out. So everything is running correctly. I just have problems with my grammar that I still need to fix. I'll probably do that for step 3 of this project, which is doing more commits on GitHub. Anyways, so everything runs fine because all the output is put to the screen, and then the program doesn't cut out as it's going. And I didn't do any interfaces. That would have helped. I think I could have moved some comments around, just put them in the interfaces, and then my array stack and resizable array queue classes would be smaller, easier to read. But I did end up commenting every method, trying to do good programming practice so I can go back and change things later. And I also tried to organize it correctly, put all the methods in the correct order and all that. Having the output displayed to me in time for each method was very helpful as I was testing the program as I go, because then I could see exactly which line I go wrong at, and it would be easier to find it going through the program every time I tested it as I was creating it. Because then if like there was a problem with the NQ, it would just cut out NQ, and then I would see that that was the last thing that was written, and I could go back there and change that part of it. Anyways, thank you for listening to my screencast. Once again, I'm John Ashton, and that's everything. Thank you.